Welcome to the course Introduction to R Programming. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about data management sequences part 1. Coming to outline. First we will discuss introduction about sequences, then how to create sequence, the syntax used in R software, then we will demonstrate various examples of sequences, finally concluding remarks. So before starting about the actual sequences, here you have to know about what is a data management, what are the various aspects of data management. So different aspects of data management, for example, how to get the data, then how to generate the data, then how to arrange the data, then how to get input, then how to get output from the data, and so on. These are all some of the examples of different aspects of data management. So in this lecture, we are going to concentrate on the aspects of sequence. Then what is a sequence? A sequence is a set of related numbers, events, movements, or items that follow each other in a particular order. So the sequence, which is combination of related numbers or events combination or movements combination or items that follow each other in a particular order. That means the value which are following it and the values which are followed by, they are arranged in a particular order. For example, it may be in ascending order or it may be in descending order, like any one particular order. So the regular sequences can be generated using R software. So that is about sequence. Then coming to syntax of creating a sequence in R software. So here we'll use the command seq with all small letters, so with function brackets. Now various arguments of this sequence function are, here we have the first argument from value. So by default, let us take 1. Then second argument is 2. So that is the end one. This is the start one is 1. From, that is end one is 2. 1, let us do. Then by, the sequence by, it may be a length. So that by value can be calculated using this formula. 2 minus from divided by length dot out minus 1. And another parameter length dot out equal to null. Then another parameter along dot width equal to null, etc. Like various parameters are there. So mainly we will consider from, to, and by, these three arguments, where 2 is the last value or end value and by is the increment value. Whatever you can give in place of by, the sequence will be incremented with that value. Then that increment value is obtained by using this formula, 2 minus from by length minus 1, whereas from is the start value. This is the general syntax of creating a sequence in our software. Then coming to help for the sequence. Simply here you can type by using the help command within brackets, within double quotes, seq. Then it directs to the HTML page where the documentation is available related to sequence. So this is the output screen obtained whenever you can type this command. So seq base, the generation. So here you can see the description about the sequence generation. Generate regular sequences. Then seq is a standard generic with a default method. So seq dot int, whenever you can use, is a primitive which can be much faster but has few restrictions. Then seq underscore along and seq underscore length are very fast primitives for two common cases. Then you can see the usage of sequence, the syntax you can see seq within bracket. Here you can mention the from value, comma to value, comma by value. So this is the help about the sequence. Then some more details coming to arguments of that sequence function. So arguments passed to or from methods. So from to the starting and the maximum end values of the sequence. Then of length 1 default unless just from is supplied as an unnamed argument. Then by is the number increment of the sequence. Then length dot out desired length of the sequence, a non-negative number which for sequence and sequence dot int will be rounded up it fractional. Then along dot with argument take the length from the length of this argument. These are explanation about all the arguments presented in the sequence syntax. Then coming to examples, the default increment is plus or minus 1 by default. So here, see the first example, seq of we are giving from equal to 2, comma 2 equal to 4. So here by value is not given, means by default the increment is plus 1. Or if you can give negative value, then the decrement is minus 1. In the first one you can see sequence of from equal to 2 equal to 4. So starting value is 2, ending value is 4. Then it start at 2, then ends at 4. Same command can be written as seq of starting value comma end value instead of from 2. Like this also you can give. So you can run any of these two commands, output is same. So first the starting value 2, then it by default increment by 1, next one is 2 plus 1 3, next 3 that is incremented by 1 4. So the end value is 4, so it ends. Now the sequence is 2 3 4. Similarly another example, seq of from equal to 4 2 equal to 2, or this can be written as sequence of 4 comma 2. Here you can see the starting value is 4, then end value is 2. So here increment is not possible. You have to take the decrement value. Why? Because highest value to lowest value sequence needs to be generated. So by default decrement value is minus 1. So first it takes the starting value as 4, then decrement by 1, 4 minus 1 3, then 3 is decrement by 1, then that is 2. So end value is 2, it reached to the end, then this is the sequence generated from 4 to 2. Then another example, here sequence of from equal to minus 4 2 equal to 4, or sequence of minus 4 comma 4. So here you can see it start with negative value, then that can be incremented by 1 by default to get the end value as 4 till that the sequence is displayed. First you can take minus 1 starting value, then you can increment by 1, minus 1 plus 1 that is minus 3, then again increment by 1, minus 3 plus 1 that is minus 2, then again it can be incremented by 1, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, then it is increased by 1, minus 1 plus 1 0, then it is increased by 0 plus 1 1, then again it is increased by 1 plus 1 2, then it is incremented by 1, 2 plus 1 3, then 3 plus 1 4. So the end value reached here. So this is the sequence generated. Now we will demonstrate the same examples using our R software. So this is the output screen obtained by using R software. So sequence from equal to 2 equal to 4 is the output 2, 3, 4 similarly. We will also demonstrate. So then open the R software in our system wherever that is installed. So now you can execute one by one and see the outputs. You can maximize the window size. Now you can see the first one. So sequence from 2 to 4. So a CQ. So you can give from equal to 2 comma 2 equal to 4. Here no need to give by value. By default it takes plus 1. Now you can see. So starting value is 2. Then that is incremented by 1. First 2, 2 plus 1 3. Then 3 plus 1 4. The end value is 4. So this is the sequence generated from 2 to 4. Then another example, reverse 4 to 2. You can recall the previous command. Change the value. From value is 4. Then 2 value is 2. So here highest to lowest value means here it takes a decrement by 1 by default. Now you can see first starting value is 4, then 4 minus 1 3, then 3 minus 1 2. So it reaches to the end value 2. So there is the sequence generated. Then another example with the negative value to positive value. Sequence from minus 4 to 4. So here sequence from is minus 4, then 2 is plus 4. So here minus 4 to it can be incremented by plus 1 at each and every step. Then the sequence is generated till the end value is 4. Then you will get minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the end value. So then it ends. That is the output. Then another example. So using directly instead of giving from to, directly within the function you can give the from value comma to value. So now sequence of, so first one what we gave 2 comma 4. Now you can see it generates same output. Then second one what you gave sequence of 4 comma 2. Now you can see 4 3 2. Third one what you give sequence of minus 4 comma 4, and it displays minus 4 to plus 4 with plus 1 increment. Now you can see. So you can use from to or directly first value comma second value. By default first value is from value, the second value is to value. Like that same output will be displayed. Then coming to another example, sequences with constant increment. So if you want to increment the sequence by a constant value, by a specific value. So example, generate a sequence from 10 to 20 with an increment of 2 units. So previous two cases by default that is incremented by plus 1 or decremented by minus 1. But if you want to generate a sequence with a particular constant increment, so it may be 2 units or 3 units or 4 units, whatever. So in this case, we will use by. So by is included. If any other than plus 1, minus 1, if you want to generate a sequence with a different constant, then you can use by value. For example, here you can take a sequence of from equal to 10 to equal to 20. So starting with 10, it can be generated the sequence up to 20, but with length is 2, here by equal to 2 given. So the sequence difference of each and every value is 2. So why? Because here we mentioned 2. Now you can see the first value 10, then it is increased by plus 2. 10 plus 2 12, then 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 20. Now 20 is the end value, so it ends. So till that whatever the values generated, that is the output of this command sequence. Now this is the output. Now we will also run this one. So here what we are taking sequence from equal to 10, 10 to then 2 equal to 20 by the length is 2. Now you can see. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This is the output generated. So by a constant increment, this command, this is the output. Then coming to another example, sequences with a predefined length with default increment plus 1. This we already mentioned. By default, the increment value is plus 1. So here in this example, you can see sequence from equal to 10, but here end value is not given. Here in place of end value, here alternative the sequence length is given. So predefined length is given. So the sequence is generated based on the given length with default increment plus 1. Here by value not provided. Now the output is, see here, it is increased by plus 1 each and every time. Like that it generates 10 values. Why? Because the total length is 10. That means 10 values are included in the sequence, but starting with 10. Now you can see first one is 10. By default increment by 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, and so on. 18 plus 1, 19. So till 19 you can see the count is satisfied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here end value we can't know. So but only length is to be satisfied. So by satisfying the length, whatever the last value, that is the end value. So this is based on the predefined length. So we'll also run this one. So here sequence of the starting value you have to mention. So start with 10, then length equal to. So whatever the length you can give, it generates that that combination of numbers that are included in the sequence. Here given from is to length as 10. Now from 10 to 10 sequence members are generated with increment by 1. By default, the increment value is 1. So suppose same command, if you want to specify length also, suppose by equal to 2, then 10 sequence, 10 members combination sequence is generated, but the increment is 2 here. Now you can see first 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, and so on, 26 plus 2, 28, like that. That is another way, another example. Then another one, sequences with a predefined length, same as previous one, but with a constant fractional increment. You can give a fractional value also. It may be positive or negative. So here in this example, by equal to 0.1. So this fractional increment can be done each and every value. It start with 10. The same, the sequence length is 10. So first 10.0. For that 0.1 is added 10.01. Then 0.1 is added 10.2, and so on. Now you can run this one also. So now here by taking the fractional increment, so 0, 0.1. So whatever you can take, now you can see. So this is the output. So here increment by 0.1. If you can't mention 0.1, then by default it takes plus 1. This is another example. Now this is the output. Then coming to with a specified constant decrement, sequences with a predefined length with constant decrement. So here in this example we have taken -2. So then we start with 10. Every time it is decreased by -2 with length 10 sequence. Now you can run this one. So from is 10, length is 10, then by -2, decremented with -2. Now you can see. First 10, 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, minus 6, minus 2, minus 8. Total you can see the count is same as the length 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till that it generates the sequence. Then another example, sequences with a predefined length with a constant fractional decrement. So fractional decrement here minus 0.2 is the decrement value. So here length is taken 5. Whatever the length you can take, it generates the sequence of with that particular length. Now the decrement value is minus 0.2. Now you can run this one. Here the length is given as 5. Now the decrement value is minus 0.2, that is fractional value. Now you can see first 10.0, then minus 0.2, 9.8, minus 0.2, 9.6, and so on, 9.4 minus 0.2, 9.2. That is a fractional decrement by a constant value. Then another example, sequences with a predefined variable and constant increment. So by taking a variable, you can assign a value to the variable. Then in the sequence function, you can call that value instead of taking the direct value. Then increment by a constant. See the example. Here we have taken x as 2. Then the sequence of from value default we have given 1, comma 2 value is x. X means it takes 2. So 1 comma 2. Then increment value. The third one by default increment value x by 10. Here x is 2, 2 by 10. So that fractional value is the increment value. Now whenever you can run this command, now you will get first 1.0 starting value. Then it continues till 2. Why? Because the end value is 2x. Yeah, whatever the value you are assigning to the x, that is the end value is 2. Then in between 1 to 2, the increment is 2 by 10. That fractional difference will be increased to each and every value. Similarly, another one here we have taken x is 50. Now starting sequence value is 0. Now sequence of 0 comma x by 10. That means nothing but 0 comma 50 comma 50 by 10. So 50 by 10 means 5. 5 is the increment value. Then it continues till the end value is 50. Why? Because x is 50. First it takes 0, then plus 5 increment 5, then plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, and so on, 45 plus 5 50. So 50 is the end value. Here length is not mentioned. In both cases length is not mentioned. Increment value only given. So it continues the sequence till it satisfies the increment, I mean the end value. Now you can run these two. So first you can clear the screen again, freshly you can start. First one we are assigning 2 to x. Now we are taking the sequence function starting with 1. End value is x. Then the increment is what we consider here. So x by 10. Now you can say this is nothing but sequence of 1 comma 2 comma 2 by 10. The first argument default is starting value. The second argument is end value. Third argument is increment value. So if you want to specify length particularly, you can mention length equal to. That means sequence length. Then another example. So here x is taken as 50. Now you can take the sequence. The sequence start with 0. Now you can run this one. Now you can see. So the difference is the increment value is 5 here. So 0, 5, 10, 15 like that. So this is sequences with a predefined variable and a constant increment. So that's all about the first part of sequences in data management. Then coming to conclusion till now. So I have taken different types of sequences in which I have used that sequence from, to, and by. And I have used the option of length also. And I have taken various examples to show you that what type of data can be generated just by using a single command sequence. So I would request you that you try to practice this thing, and in the next lecture I would try to take some more examples on the sequence to demonstrate how the data can be generated automatically using the syntax SEQ. Till then, goodbye, happy learning.